everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this channel is all about Hawaii food and family. This is my mom Gail and today she's showing us how to make a very simple Japanese curry.
Right, and we're going to do it vegetarian this time.
It's a vegetarian curry.
So we're going to start off real quick with 5 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using olive oil. Actually, the recipe does call for vegetable oil, but we're going to use olive oil. And then we're gonna take medium onion and mince it up and fry it up in the oil here.
And so today we're cooking with onion. Oh, there's 2 different types of onion.
Yeah, that goes in after. So
oh, it's a lot of onion.
Right.
Onion, potatoes, and carrots. And you can definitely add meat to this dish if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be vegetarian, obviously.
It could be meat, chicken or
shrimp, or even we were thinking about adding tofu as well.
Like
so you can add, spice it up if you really enjoy meat. So where did you get this recipe from?
So this is a curry, and I do love Japanese curry, and I do love to use the S&B Oriental Curry, which is a spice. It's not the block, so we're going to use that.
Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this.
So this is S&B.
S&B Oriental Curry powder. I've never known you to make curry this. You make this all the time?
Well, not all the time. I don't make curry a lot, but I like using that curry
because it has no MSG.
It has no MSG, right?
It has no MSG. How much of this?
It has some really neat spices in here. You can see turmeric.
Coriander. How do you say this?
I don't know. Fenugreek. Cumin, orange peel, pepper, chili pepper, cinnamon, fennel, ginger, star anise, thyme, bay leaves, cloves, nutmeg, sage, and cardamom.
Ooh.
It's a product of Japan.
So did you get that from like Marukai or something, or from the Japanese market?
No, I got that from Times.
Oh. So I guess you can get it at any grocery market.
Right.
How much of this do you need?
So we're going to try and get the onion to get nice and brown.
Okay.
So I need 5 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using olive oil, but the recipe actually asks for vegetable oil. So 2, 3, 4. Oh, I have exactly 5. Oh, perfect. 5. Great. Okay.
We're making a roux. What's a roux, Mom? Is that like the sauce?
A roux is, and we have 8 tablespoons of flour. A roux is like a base for making a gravy, actually.
For the curry?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's like a dough. That's interesting.
Cook it. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of the curry powder in here.
Okay. Is that going to mix together?
Yeah, right. That's going to go.
Oh, that's strong. What about the bouillon?
We're going to add that right now, but first we're going to add the water.
Okay.
So we're going to add, now that's 1,000 milliliters, and we want to add 400 more. So we turn up the heat. And
so we're adding water to the browned onions.
And add 400 more. Okay. Hang on. This is a big teaspoon, a full teaspoon here.
So instead of like soup stock, you like to use...
Well, instead of a bouillon, it's asking for a bouillon.
What's the difference between a bouillon and a soup stock? Like like when you go to the market and you buy like the chicken broth. Is it the same thing?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so Mom is using for the soup stock. She's using Better Than Bouillon roasted beef base.
Right.
So this definitely will have a lot of flavor, I'm assuming. And you like this? Why do you like this better than the blocks?
I think it tastes better.
And it's organic.
It is. Maybe that's why.
Okay, I can mix.
Okay. And then we're going to put the vegetables in, and we're going to boil them. Right? So turn it up to high.
It's not high. So we're putting in onions, carrots.
So it's like two
And
medium
potatoes.
potatoes.
And Mom generally likes to also add celery, but I think she just didn't have them on hand. But that's another vegetable that she enjoys putting in her curry, right, Mom?
Yeah. But traditional Japanese curry, I don't believe has
They don't
any.
put celery.
Yeah.
But when you do add meat, generally you would cook it first, right? With the
Right, the meat would go in first.
Yeah, you would cook the meat first with the onions, with the browned onions, and then you would add all this other things. Let us know in the comments, you know, where you like to get your curry from. I know around here there's Coco Curry House. That's a big one that is in different locations on Oahu. But other, you know, markets and other restaurants, I know like Marukai, they sell Japanese curry. So there's a lot of ways you can get really good curry here in Hawaii, and you can also make it at home as well. And it's actually very simple. Even making it like this, because like usually if I make curry, I use the blocks. What brand is the blocks? Is it the S&B?
Brands? Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
actually, I don't remember ever using that box because
It has MSG. I usually use the blocks because it's just, you don't have to make the, what do you call this?
this is a roux.
You don't have to make the roux.
R-O-U-X.
It's already just in a block for you to use.
So this has to boil and cook. You have to cook the vegetables. And then the next step would be to actually add water, just a little, this broth, add it in here very slowly, and you're going to get a nice gravy starting to form.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
like a
and
thick
then you're
gravy.
going to put this back in here, and then you're going to have your curry.
Okay. So we have to wait a little while.
Right, and you're going to add some salt, and you're going to, you know, adjust your seasonings.
Mom has to head out halfway through our video. So
Sorry.
Reed and I will be finishing up this Japanese curry dish.
Now the other thing people can normally use is butter rather than the olive oil I use.
Okay.
You can use butter or like vegetable oil. That's what traditional roux is made out with, butter.
So it's more fatty.
Yeah. This is a lot of roux. I mean, I doubled the recipe, so in the end.
Is that good?
Oh, it's gonna be yummy. You look yummy.
Yeah. Looks like Japanese curry. It has a lot of onions. It's very onion curry.
Maybe I went a little overboard on the onions.
It's okay. Anything with onions tastes good.
Okay. And the other thing I think that some Japanese people add is apple. Like you take a apple and you grate it down and you add it. They add sweetness.
Ooh. We can
So this recipe doesn't call for it though.
more roux.
Go more roux. If we can, we'll use all of the roux. The other thing, you can make the roux and you can actually freeze it.
Oh, and then you can make it into blocks and have your own S&B block.
Right.
But it's okay. We may as well just use it all.
And you can taste it.
It looks like it's thickening up though.
Okay. Here, let me Okay, and then you have to add salt. That is like half a teaspoon. Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's a teaspoon.
Salt.
It needs more salt.
Tastes like Japanese curry. Good?
Good.
All right, so
Very
that
good.
we made that in 30 minutes. Wow. That is, I guess, Mom was able to stay till the end of the video. Now she has to head out. Thank you, Mom. All right, so we will transition. We'll try this and we'll let you know how it tastes. So now the curry is all ready. So it's been simmering. It simmered for maybe about 15-20 minutes after we put everything in, and then we turned it off. And Mom is back from her meeting. So now we can try our curry. All right, cheers.
Good, yeah.
So is it better this way or with the cube?
Come try it with us.
No, go ahead.
No, come, just.
Oh, I feel like I'm your grandma. Come.
It's good.
I feel like this way tastes a little bit more organic. So it is very good. The flavor is lighter than the cube, I
It's
think,
good.
right? The flavor is lighter than the
This
cube.
is good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
No,
It's really good.
it tastes much healthier actually.
It does taste, yeah, it tastes healthier.
It doesn't taste as salty as when
Yeah.
you, because I
And
use the cube.
fatty, yeah. So we learned something new today.
Yes.
Yes.
They're great.
But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.